Welcome again, and again I will show you how to make Bombil Pickle out of Recheado Masala. So I have taken few of Bombil. Okay, it's easily available. If you are making in larger quantity, then please take large amount. Okay, so I am taking few because I just want to show you all, and then larger quantity I will be doing later. So now these are dried bomils or Bombay ducks or bombil you say, and we have to take again vinegar and soak this and cut this first. So you have to cut this like this into small pieces, or you can keep like this long only, it's up to you, but it is pickle, so basically it is smaller the better. They are dried, fully dried. So now let it get nicely soak in the vinegar. So I will add little bit more. And let it get soaked for around 5 to 10 minutes in this. Okay. We need 1 cup of oil for frying this Recheado Masala, that is red masala. For this also, this is like Goan style if we are making Goan style. So let it get nicely soaked in this. So I will leave this for around 10 minutes and get it soaked, and then we'll come again. So now we'll just pat dry this. Take a tissue or cloth, whatever it is, and pat dry this, because we need to fry this now in a oil. See, the Recheado Masala is multi-purpose, so if you make in quantity also and keep, and then you can use it for lots of Goan cuisine. Like a sorpotel, sausages masala is also like that only. So only onion we don't put in sausages. So here and there are small things which are we don't use. Masala ingredients will be same. Quantity upon you how it is. So here it is pat dried. Now we need oil for frying. Okay. So take 1 cup of this oil to fry this bombil, not very crispy, just shallow fry. And 1 cup of like this only you boil, like you hot oil I have done here and I have kept for cooling down. So this is again 1 cup. So this will be adding. So now this is this. Let it become nice hot. Now we'll add this and fry this. We are frying this because this pickle is like directly you can eat Bombil pickle, Bombay duck pickle. That's the reason we are frying this. Turn this. Make it medium slow fire. So these are nicely fried. I will take it out. So you can add more bombils also. Okay. I love bombil's aroma. And now in this same masala, put off the gas for a while. And now I have put off the gas. So bombils are fried. We'll keep this aside for cooling. So now we will take around same amount of masala, and we will fry the masala in this same oil. So I will take around same spoons, like one bowl of that. So now whenever I am going to make more bombil, no, I am going to add only fried bombil to that thing. So now here it goes. So this is my masala for that quantity. So you can increase, or you can see how it is. And now I will fry the masala. The gas is off, the oil is hot. I will put it on now. Oil was very hot, no? That's why. See the color of it. So now we'll cook this on slow fire. Till the masala gets nicely cooked. No adding again, no water. So around 10 minutes you can nicely fry this. 10 minutes. Check your salt. If you want to add, you can add, but see that the bombils are also salty. Always remember, the mackerels are always salty. And especially in Goa, they put a lot of salt and then they dry it on the beach or on the sea. On the sand, they dry it. And instead of jaggery, some people doesn't like jaggery, then you can always add sugar. So now this point of, see the pan is leaving the oil, the masala is also changed the color. Now we will add a fried bombil. So here goes our fried bombil in this, and just for few minutes we will cook this for very few minutes, like maybe, see in this masala more bombils you can add, okay, just for few minutes, and then we will put off the gas, let it cool down, then we will transfer it in the jar. Now if you want to eat directly today of this pickle of bombil, you are free to eat, or you want to keep it for 1 week at least in the sterilized bottle. You need a sterilized bottle, and adding the oil, then it will taste like a proper pickle. Otherwise this is like the bombil balcha or mole, you can say. So that way, some fry onions, then add the masala. So that is like if you want to do that way, but I have added onion, fried onion to this masala. That's why I didn't add. But you can fry onion, saute onion, then add masala, then add this bombil. It is possible. That is also another way. So now it's okay. My bombil are also nicely this and this. I will put off the gas, let it get cool down, and then we will transfer it into a bottle. So now let's transfer this into sterilized bottle. And again I will be keeping this for around 1 to 2 weeks so that it gets nicely this. But as I said, you can directly eat this. It's instant, you can eat that also, whichever way. I am making this all for my monsoons which are approaching. And once the bombil gets over, then I will be adding more to this. So now we have to add this oil which I made it hot, and now I am adding to this. Mix this very well. And it's done. Okay, so my bombil pickle is ready. So this is, I'm going to keep this for around 2 weeks. I will keep it for 2 weeks. Inside the fridge only I will keep, because depending on the temperature, as I said. So hope you will enjoy this, and do let me know how was your bombil. And lots more, I can add one more, like around 10 pieces more, cut, fry it, and I can add to this. So I might do that later, but as of now I am okay, happy with it. Thank you.